My name is John Barker. I am the award-winning pitmaster at Beach Bum Barbecue, and I'm the executive chef here at Skull and Mortar. And today we are gonna smoke the hell out of some chocolate chip cookies. Over the past few weeks, we've really been focusing on Super Bowl favorites, but you can't have a party without a little bit of sweet in that mix, if you know what I'm saying. So of course, we're gonna go smoky, we're gonna go sweet. Let's get it. First off, you're gonna need about 3/4 cup of unsalted butter. Get it to room temperature, all right? Much like your cold-hearted significant other, you're not gonna have a whole lot of success working with it if it's too cold. Now, we really wanna create a depth of flavor here, so we're gonna use both brown sugar and white sugar. It doesn't really matter if you use light or dark brown sugar. I typically would probably use dark because I like the extra molasses flavor, but I already have this light brown and I'm lazy and cheap, so I'm just gonna go ahead and use it. You wanna get 1 full cup packed in there. Now guys, don't use one of those Pyrex cup things. That shit is not meant for dry goods. It'll ruin your cookies. Now we're gonna take our white sugar, it's a 1/2 cup, and we're gonna cream this butter and sugar together. Let it get silky smooth. And if you want, give it just a little kiss right on top there. I'm kidding, guys. Don't kiss your butter sugar, you friggin' weirdos. I'm gonna use my KitchenAid mixture. At this point, you're gonna wanna put in your flour. But you wanna sift it in there because you wanna keep it light and airy. Don't be lazy, guys. Good cookies take a little bit of effort here. Now we're gonna pop in a 1/2 tablespoon of salt. By tablespoon, I mean teaspoon. Don't put a tablespoon in there. We're gonna do a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda and a 1/4 teaspoon of cornstarch. That cornstarch is really gonna make this come together. It's gonna keep them thick, it's gonna keep them fat and delicious. Guys, now you wanna grab your butter mix and you wanna beat in about a tablespoon of vanilla, 1 egg, and 1 egg yolk only. Let it beat until you have a good thick cookie dough. You should know what a cookie dough looks like. If you don't, you got a lot of problems here that you might not be able to solve with this recipe. Guys, we're almost done. It's really that simple, but we have one last step. We have to add our chocolate chips. And let's be honest, can you have too many chocolate chips? Probably not in this kitchen. And you wouldn't be watching my videos if you were health conscious, would you? So we're gonna go ahead and load this bad boy down with 1 cup of regular chocolate chips. Semi-sweet, guys. Get those in there. And 1 cup of chocolate chunks. And guys, here's our cookie dough. We're almost done here. This literally is like 15 minutes worth of work to get this prepped up. And what we're looking for here is we want about roughly a 1/4 cup of cookie dough. So the first 2 up here I did with a measuring cup, just to show you visually what about 1/4 looks like. The rest of them I'm just gonna kinda eyeball because I'm not Betty Crocker and I don't really give a So I realize now that my cookie sheet situation in the studio kitchen is not optimal. So I'm gonna throw these in a cast iron pan. So guys, you should have your smoker at 325 degrees. Don't have some hardwood like mesquite or hickory and something in there that's gonna give you like a harsh flavor. You want soft flavors. We're talking fruit woods, we're talking cherry, apple, peach, even a pecan. Don't use mesquite, don't use hickory, it's gonna be too much. We're gonna throw these in the smoker at 325 degrees. It's gonna take about 15 minutes and then we'll be back right here. So after we get you looking dope as possible in your Skull and Mortar t-shirt, we gotta get to the cooking. You might as well get that food tasting fly as possible with your Beach Bum Barbecue rub, made exclusively by Skull and Mortar. It's award winning. It's gonna take your food from the bottom to the top. And after we sauce you up, we might as well rub you up, my friends, with that Skull and Mortar rub. That's right, don't be a pervert. We're not talking about that kind of rub up, my friend. We're talking about the rub that you put on your meat. Again, come on, dude. Have some class. Put this on your chicken, your pork, your beef, your fish. It doesn't matter, you can put it on anything. If you can find something you can't put it on, shoot me a DM because you'll literally blow my own mind. Check it out now at skullandmortar.com. Guys, look at these cookies, man. These things are beautiful. Now the couple in the cast iron pan, they definitely got a little bit darker, but they're still, look how soft that is though. See that? They did get darker, but they're still extremely soft to the touch. Guys, let's look at this. Let's just crack one of these open. Look at this. Look how soft that is. Look at that, chocolate is gooey. Inside there, they're fluffy. Let's get a bite of this, man. Wow. Guys, I didn't get the size I am by not eating cookies, dude. I'm eating a lot of cookies. This cookie is phenomenal. Wow, especially, I'm at a loss for words. It's fluffy, it's chocolatey, it's sweet, it's got some smoke on the bottom end of it. You should not even cook chocolate chip cookies any other way. Now, if you don't have a smoker, this recipe will work in the oven, but my God, dude, once you try them in the smoker, you're not gonna try them any other way. This is my son, Jeremy. Try one of these cookies, man. This is a smoked chocolate chip cookies. What do you think of that, dude? That's pretty good. It's actually fire, is it not? Yeah. So, your team may or may not win the Super Bowl, and God knows if you're a Texans fan like me, they probably are never even gonna make it because being a fan of Houston sports is pain and agony. But you will win the Super Bowl of chocolate chip cookies as long as it's conducted inside the four walls of your house only. If you learned anything this week and you like this video, even if you don't like it, hit thumbs down. I don't really care. Just give it a little love, hate, whatever. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. Nobody really cares, it's all the same. But make sure to leave a comment below. Let me know what you want to see. Hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you next week with a brand new video. You got a phone call. I do.